Hello friends, we have with us Sid, founder of Lake Twin Records based in Lucknow. He's an orchestrator, composer, harmony artist and music producer for songs as well as visual media. He's a motivator in his own place. His band is full of people who are all passionate about music. Recently, he has also undertaken theoretical musicology. A very warm welcome, Sid, on behalf of So Too High.
Thank you so much. Glad to be here.
So, Sid, tell us something about your journey from Bangalore to Lucknow.
Okay, from Bangalore to Lucknow, it was quite unexpected for me because see, I was born in Lucknow but brought up in Delhi, and then I did my MBA from Ghaziabad. I just did my graduation from Lucknow, and after doing my MBA, we went on to do my. I got my placement from MBA in Bangalore.
Okay.
So I worked over there for around 2 years or so as an assistant HR over there, and then due to some issues, things didn't quite work out in that company, and had to come back to Lucknow due to some family reasons and some further issues. After that, I tried searching for jobs over here and there in Delhi and Lucknow, but I didn't like the profile over here because obviously there's a lot of difference between that city and the towns over here.
Yeah.
So yeah, so I had some savings and I just randomly decided, okay, I always wanted to enter the world of music. I always wanted to pursue this thing. I had some savings. I opened up the studio, and I gradually and eventually I immersed myself into this thing.
Okay.
And
That's a very bold decision.
actually, and you see, people are actually afraid of the changes. People are afraid of taking risks. That is the fear that they have. Like, I want to tell you, and everyone else who will be watching this video, that don't be afraid to follow your passion. If there is risk involved, there is risk of change involved. Things might not work out, but that doesn't mean that you should not try at least.
Yeah. There's a saying, right? If plan A doesn't work, so there are another 25 alphabets which will, one of them will definitely work.
Actually actually
Yeah. So, why you didn't take up music earlier?
There were a lot of factors involved in that. There were a lack of support.
Okay.
Uh, there was th- I wasn't that serious, and when you're a kid, you don't have your mind is not that developed when you're a kid, right?
Yeah.
And you don't have that much capability to think and take decisions about your life. You are
Mm.
always being told what to do, and
It is more about
and
academics all the time.
actually, in especially in this country, it's about
Mm.
academics all the time,
Yeah, yeah.
right? So yes, being told what to do always, so your mind gets conditioned according to that. So things take a bit time to gain perspective. When you take some then you when you think that you are quite capable to take a decision, and you know that things might work out, and you are quite some at least 50% sure that you are serious about this passion of yours that you are deciding to pursue now,
Yes.
then you have this epiphany, okay, let's quit everything and follow our passion.
Mhm. So one more thing, like you did not take up any musical training or you were not into music before. So how come you just started? Like how was the starting journey for you? From where did you start?
Okay. I started when I was in class fourth, I guess. I was in Dehradun. I
Okay.
had went to the hostel. I was in hostel for 2.5 years, from fourth class to my sixth class, mid sixth class. So over there, I discovered that I can sing. The music teacher discovered that I can sing. I can catch notes. My ears can listen to the correct notes and identify the correct notes.
Oh,
So from there, yeah, he invited me to join the choir. From then when I came back to Delhi, eventually I joined the school band, and that is how I started discovering that yes, I can do music.
Okay.
And after that, yes, but still that was still just a hobby, a side hobby, not a passion, not something serious that I can make a career out of. So I just had this very sasta sa guitar, and I used to do some random, like Give Me Some Sunshine and Aadat and those
Mhm.
very basic songs that we Papa Kehte Hain,
Okay.
those
So
songs, right?
do you still have that guitar with you?
I have a guitar, not the same guitar, obviously,
Okay.
because that was a very, it broke like almost immediately. That guitar broke. So yes, so after that I actually when I was in job, I started studying music, and that's when I realized that yes, I have an interest towards theory of this field.
Okay. So, what kind of music you are playing, making, composing these days?
See, usually I started with the Western classical. When I was very serious, when I got very serious about this field, I started with Western classical from the beginning, from zero. I started studying Western classical, so I started creating orchestral and all, and I still create orchestral. It's kind of my specialty.
Okay.
I do harmonies. I'm a vocal producer, so harmonies are kind of my specialty too. So I'm sorry. What was the question? This is my problem. I keep forgetting
No, no,
this.
it's fine. What kind of music you are making?
So yeah, orchestral. Then after there was this web series that came. It was called Bandish Bandits, which
Yes,
kind of inspired me to follow Indian classical music. I watched that, and I got crazy about this thing. This Indian classical thing. So I started Indian classical music, and then I started relating Indian classical with Western classical, and that's
oh, wow.
now I kind of create a fusion of Indian classical, and like I want to create Indian classical harmonies in Indian classical, like a fusion of Western and Indian classical. So I keep experimenting with music and sounds.
Okay. So, how many people are there in your team?
In my team, actually, it's a crew. That's what we call it.
Okay.
Uh, so this crew has me as the music producer
Okay.
and the composer. I have two vocalists. One is right here in the studio.
Okay.
So one is a female vocalist Hindi. Another is one more female vocalist Hindi. One is a male vocalist Hindi.
Okay.
One is a cinematographer. Two we have basically three cinematographers in our crew, and one drone pilot.
Wow. So, it's a big
Yeah.
crew that you have actually
It has just formed,
developed
it has
yourself.
just formed.
Okay.
It has
This
just formed.
lockdown?
It has like, yes, we have currently started working on a first project together.
Okay, congrats for that.
Thank you so much.
So, what are you planning for your future?
Future, actually, I have this plan. I am actually, I'm sorry. Okay, is it my phone or someone else's?
So, it is mine.
Okay. So I am preparing for the admissions in a college in California. It's a university, UCLA.
Okay.
The college name is Herb Alpert College of Music.
Hmm.
It's affiliated to UCLA.
Okay.
So over there, I am planning to do a master's course in composition for visual media.
Okay.
So
So, that course will be online?
no, no, not online. I'll be going over there once the lockdown ends, obviously,
Okay.
and this Corona thing gets some chill down.
Yes, yes. So,
So
can we have the music played by you, composed by you? Do you
yeah,
have
sure.
something to play?
Yeah, sure, I do. Just a second, I'll get my guitar.
Yeah.
Guitar is audible.
Yes.
So this is a composition. It's not released yet. It's not, the music has not been produced. It's just a raw composition, right? I'll
Okay.
just play the verse and the chorus for you. सब याद हर पल दिलाए, रातों में तकिए पे सर रख कर मुझे रुलाए मनवाए। तू मुस्कुराए जब दिखाऊं उसका चेहरा, तू सुनाए उसका साथ है सुनहरा। ए मनवा क्यों न हारे तू, रे मनवा क्यों से चाहे तू, जब चाहत है अधूरी वो रहेगी अधूरी। रे मनवा क्यों न हारे तू, रे मनवा क्यों से चाहे, जब चाहत है अधूरी वो रहेगी अधूरी। रे मनवा।
Wow, awesome. So the lyrics has been written by you.
Yeah, the lyrics is mine, composition is mine.
Lovely. So you have not released it yet?
No, it's the music. Even the music is not ready for this yet. So it's kind of an unreleased song, at kind of an unreleased track that the viewers of this video will be listening to.
Wow, wow. You know, it's my pleasure to listen to it for the first one I'm supposed to be. So it's
Thank you so
great.
much, and it's a pleasure to be interviewed for this So Too High. It's I really like this name, by the way. I don't know if I told you already or not.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you so much. You know, your story will be an inspiration for so many others who are doing something else which they don't aspire to be. So thank you
I
for
surely hope so.
sharing your story with us.
Thank you so much for allowing me to.
And wishing you a lot of success and glory in your life ahead.
Thank you so much. And I wish you this venture. I think it's a new venture that you have started, right?
Yeah, yes.
And I wish you the best of luck for this venture too.
Thank you so much. Okay, see you soon. I'll talk to your crew members also sometime.
Surely,
Yeah,
I'll let you know the contact of all of them whenever you
yeah.
need.
Okay. Okay, Sid. Thank you. Bye bye for now.
Bye bye.
Okay, bye.